The weather was good last week. They weren't here last Sunday. This time last year I was in Paris. Where were you at 10 o'clock last Friday morning? Last year Mark was 24, so he is 25 now. When I was a child, I was afraid of dogs. They were hungry after the journey, but they weren't tired. The hotel was comfortable, but it wasn't expensive. Why were you late this morning? Was the weather nice when you were on holiday? Your shoes are nice. Were they expensive? Where was Lana yesterday? At midnight last night, he wasn't at work. Today the weather is nice, but yesterday it was very cold. I like your new jacket. Was it expensive? I feel fine this morning, but I was very tired last night. You weren't at home last night. Where were you? Yesterday was a public holiday, so the banks were closed. We weren't happy with the hotel. It wasn't clean. Where are my keys? I don't know. They were on the table. Was Bill at work yesterday? Yes, he was. Were Sue and Steve at the party? No, they weren't. Was your exam difficult? No, it was easy. Why were you angry yesterday? Because you were late. How much was your new camera? 60 pounds.